everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will crochet these cute little heart applique and then convert it into a bookmark. You can use these crochet heart applique on various projects like bags or hair clips. I have these crochet pouch bags on which I can stick these heart applique using a glue, or I can sew it with thread and needle. You can stick it in any way, whatever you like more. And then I have these hair clips. You can use glue to stick the heart applique onto it. You can use as many as you like. And also you can use it as a bookmark with any size of book. This is absolute beginner friendly crochet tutorial. I have explained everything step by step in detail, and I have shown each stitches in slow version. And if you want to change the size of this heart applique, then please watch till end. At last, I will show you two different ways to change the size of this heart using the same pattern, so that you can crochet these heart applique in bigger or smaller sizes by using same pattern. For this crochet heart bookmark or crochet heart applique, you will need yarn. I have used lightweight DK yarn which is 100% cotton, and with this I am using 4 mm crochet hook, scissors and yarn needle to weave the ends. Now let's start. First, hold your yarn in such a way that the tension is always in your control. I hold my yarn like this. First, go through between middle finger and ring finger, and then over the index finger, and then hold the yarn with middle finger and your thumb. Now twist the yarn like this and hold it with thumb and middle finger. Look again, twist it, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. You just made a chain 1 to secure the ring. This way you made your magic ring. Now we will work all the stitches into this ring. We made chain 1. Now we will make 2 more chains. So total 3 chains. For making a chain, you just yarn over and pull it through the loop on the hook. This way we made 3 chains. Now we will make 3 treble crochet. For this, yarn over 2 times. You have total 3 loops on the hook. Now insert the hook into the magic ring. Pull up a loop. Now you have total 4 loops on the hook. So yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through next 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. This way we made our first treble crochet. Now make 2 more. Look again, yarn over 2 times, 3 loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Now again yarn over and pull through next 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. This way we made our second treble crochet. Now make the third treble crochet. We will make total 3 treble crochet. After making 3 treble crochet, we will make 3 double crochet. For this, yarn over 1 time, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this way we made our first double crochet. Now 2 more. For this, yarn over, insert the hook into ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is second double crochet. Now make 1 more. So this way we made our 3 double crochet. Now chain 1, and then 1 treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, pull through 2. Again make chain 1. Now we will make 3 double crochet. For this, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is first double crochet. Now we will make 2 more. So again yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now 1 more double crochet. Now after that we will make 3 treble crochet. So yarn over 2 times and insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. So 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So we will make total 3 treble crochet. After making 3 treble crochet, we will make chain 3 and then we will make a slip stitch into the ring. Slip stitch, insert the hook into ring, pull up a loop through the ring and the loop on the hook. So this way we made our slip stitch. Now make chain 1, and if you want to make a heart applique, then cut the yarn. Otherwise, if you want to crochet a heart bookmark, then don't cut it. For heart applique, fasten off and then pull the yarn tail and close the magic ring. At the end of this video, I will show you how to secure and hide these ends. But first, I will show you how to convert it into a bookmark. For bookmark, you don't have to do anything else. You just continue making chains. You made chain 1 after the slip stitch. You made chain 1. Now continue making chains according to the length of your book. Okay, so I am making total 45 chains here. For A size book, you need to make about 12 inches long chain, and for A5 size book, make 9 inches long chain. Okay, and then fasten off. This way your bookmark is ready. I will show you how to hide the yarn tails using the yarn needle at the end of this video. But first, let us see how you can change the size of this heart applique. First way is by changing the hook size. So here you can see I have made 3 different sizes of heart applique. For this I have used same yarn but 3 different sizes of hook. So for bigger one I have used 5 mm crochet hook, for medium size 4 mm crochet hook, and for small size I have used 2.5 mm crochet hook. You can see the size difference. With bigger hook you get the bigger size of applique, and with a smaller hook you get the small size of applique. Now another way to change size is by changing the size of yarn and using the same hook. So I am using 4 mm crochet hook and 3 different thickness of yarn. As you can see, pink yarn is thinner one. Okay, so it is thinner than red yarn, and red yarn is thinner than the cream color yarn, and I get 3 different sizes of heart applique. Now let me show you how to hide these yarn tails using the yarn needle. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the next video, you can comment below that what you want to learn in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!